You're watching Suncoast FYI on SNN. Marilyn Tait is with the Parkinson Place and the Parkinson Research Foundation. So welcome, Marilyn. It's so nice to see you again.
Thank you, Wendy. I'm happy to see you again as well.
So tell us, what is Parkinson's disease?
Well, Parkinson's disease is what we call chronic degenerative neurological disorder. And unfortunately, it most often affects older people. And it has an impact on human life in all aspects, meaning physically, mentally, emotionally, and even socially. Now, physically, it's very, very difficult because the symptoms are the tremor, the pill-rolling tremor. They freeze, they become very rigid, the balance is poor, they fall a great deal. The facial muscles become stiff, so it's difficult for them to blink and to swallow and to speak and even to smile. Many times they're impacted with memory loss, with cognitive impairments.
So they get it all. They might have like dementia.
From all directions. Yeah, they get it from all directions. And then because it's so difficult to live with, the emotions associated with Parkinson's many times are difficult ones. They're afraid, they're anxious, they're frustrated. And then from a social standpoint, many times they lose the social aspect of their life because they don't fit in the way they used to. And these are all the reasons that we developed a Parkinson Place to give them a place.
So tell us about this place. It sounds like it's wonderful.
It is wonderful. It is wonderful. And Parkinson Research Foundation, this is a program of the Parkinson Research Foundation. Parkinson Place opened in the fall of 2012. And it started with 7,500 square feet. And it was just a place for them to come, to do what we call the integrative medicines, the Tai Chi, the yoga, the dance for Parkinson's, all the exercise classes. And then we realized, you know what, they're coming every day. It's open Monday to Friday. And many of them would come Monday to Friday. And so then we decided, well, we're going to expand on this. So we did another addition, and we added the clinical side. So now we have 2 board-certified neurologists. We have a licensed psychologist. We're just adding on a full physical therapy department. We have a speech and swallowing clinic. Case manager is there on site. And then I kind of put the whole thing together. But the best thing about it is like they come, and it's happy, and it's welcoming, and it's nurturing, and they laugh, Wendy. They will laugh, and they dance, and they...
So how long a program is this during the day? I mean, if you're married...
We're open from 9:30 until 4. We have a class in the morning, then they go to lunch, and then they come back in the afternoon.
So can they be there as lunch there?
Yeah,
as well?
We're not licensed as an adult daycare. If they're independent, they kind of come and go.
Can they bring their lunch so they can be there all day?
They can bring their lunch. We opened a whole bistro. We have a whole beautiful area. We have a kitchen, so that they can come. And that's the social part. The other thing we have that's so exciting is we started from 9:30 till 10 in the morning, what we call the morning cafe. So we give them coffee and donuts, and they come and they sit together and they talk. And not only the Parkinson patient, but the care partner, the caregiver, because it's hard for them, So they get together, they have this little club, they all talk together. It's a huge camaraderie. They go to lunch together.
But tell us, although Michael J. Fox has really helped, I think.
Wonderful
bringing
awareness. I mean, he really stepped forward, and I have Parkinson's. This is what it is. So he just was such a champion for the disease because so many people really didn't know of it. And it's one of the less talked about disorders. So now it's really out there in the forefront. And this is a good thing. Because I think the more we understand about people with disease and disability, the more we can do to help them and make the world a better place for them. And that's what we try to do at Parkinson
Well, what a great job you do, Marilyn, in bringing the social aspect, because social interaction keeps people happy and healthier. So thank you so much.
Come and see us.
I will. Thank you so much for being here.